Love the 12-string guitar. One of the main things though is to get it in tune. Let's get started. I'm going to start here on the 6th set. This is the bass set, and they're both tuned to E. One is the high E, and the other is the low bass E. And as you can hear, they're both E, and when you play them together, they sound like a really nice, rich E note. I'll play them together now. I'll play these for you a few times to check your tuning with. When you feel like you're in tune, just skip ahead to the next set, the 5th set. Here's the high one, bass one, high one, Okay, the 5th set, A. Here's the high A string and the low A string. Here's the two together. Here's the high on its own, the low A, high A. This is the 5th set. Again, once you're in tune, you can skip ahead to the next set, the 4th set. High A, low A. Now, the 4th set is tuned to D. Let's check the tuning on this. Yeah. So here's the 4th set, tuned to D. Here's the high D. And here's the low D. Here they are together. High D. And the low. This is the 3rd set. This set is tuned to G. Here's the high G, nice high note. And here's the bass G, the low one. High G, the low G. Now the second set, B, is unison. The two strings are the same exact pitch, the same octave. And finally, the first pair, the treble E strings. It's called the first set. And again, they are in unison. There's the high one, and the second one is identical. Those are E, the first set. So there we have it. There's the 6 pairs of strings, all in tune to a guitar tuner. And I gotta say, a guitar tuner is a very handy gadget if you're enjoying playing a 12-string guitar. That and a bit of patience, and you also might find you might want to tweak a little bit going from key to key. You always need a little bit of shifting around on you, but you gotta love a 12-string guitar.